Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Game of Trades and this is a trade recap on our most recent trade on natural gas, or UGAS. That's what we used as a proxy. So let's get right into it. This is an hourly chart of UGAS. We've been mostly trading on the hourly chart. They've been speaking the most for me. And as you can recall, if you watch my videos, I have been talking about a price channel on natural gas for a while. Around from here on, when we developed some nice MACD negative divergence on the hourly. You can see we had divergence here, which I predicted would give us a nice reversal, which it did. And from then on, I had the idea that we would trade within a price channel between this resistance level and this support level, which is exactly what has happened with this line being the middle of it. You can put another one here and call this a support zone, or support and resistance zone. So you know, that's what tends to happen with price channels. You know, you have a top, a bottom, but also a middle, which acts as support and resistance. And you can see it acted as support here, resistance here, and here we broke through it. And when you break through it, it usually ends up touching the bottom of the channel, which is exactly what happened. So obviously we had a trade from the bottom here, which was very successful. We hit our first target perfectly. And from then on, I said that would probably be the top of the trading range. And I called 2.9 as a perfect entry for a short on UGAS. And that's what we did. We shorted her right here, and that led us, first of all the way down here to my first target, and then all the way down here I made a second trade, confirming it here at 2.7, which led us so far all the way down here, and I have officially exited all my DGAZ, my short positions on natural gas. Here, there's extremely limited downside left, and I think there's more upside left. If you didn't see my video from yesterday, I called a long trade on natural gas. It may take a couple days to form, but we'll definitely, I think, have a bounce, at least all the way back to this support level. So that's about it from this point on to where we are now. We had a nice 11% gain on the futures, which in UGAS was a 33% profit, which was it's not bad. And on our second trade, from here, right at the right on a bounce off this downtrend line and off of this resistance level, we had another trade for a nice 5.6%. So give or take 15-16% on UGAS. So again, not bad. So that's about it. You know, I don't often make these trade recaps, but considering how successful we've been on natural gas, I thought it was appropriate to make a video on it. We've been able to successfully trade and predict most of the movements in natural gas. Anyways, apart from that, good luck in your trading, and see you next time.